Millionaire says XRP can easily hit $2,000. This will change everything for XRP. Recently, why is XRP making so much noise in comparison with Bitcoin and Ethereum? Would XRP really be the next Bitcoin? To find out the answers to these questions, stay tuned in our video. Welcome to Crypto Live. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. For investors and traders alike, this video will offer a helpful guide to discovering Ripple price predictions in both the short term and long term, and why do analysts and millionaires predict that XRP will reach $10,000. Emerging technologies such as cryptocurrencies are disrupting markets and changing the way they do business. One of the crypto assets targeted for the future is Ripple, also called XRP, which aims to shake up a particular industry, namely cross-border payments. In contrast to Bitcoin, Ripple is aiming for different goals with XRP. While both an investment tool and a means to control assets, Ripple was designed to be fast and to have some of the lowest fees possible. As a result, Ripple's main target customer, banks, find it extremely easy to move large amounts of money quickly at a very low cost. In this way, Ripple is predicted to make SWIFT obsolete, which is now a slow and expensive standard for international bank wire transfers. Banking institutions have been testing Ripple's XRapid, which uses XRP to move money between two parties at lightning speed. Moreover, Ripple may also disrupt other cross-border payment brands like Western Union and MoneyGram, and recently acquired a stake in MoneyGram, sending the stock price soaring. Ripple has the potential to be the new standard in many industries, and among all crypto assets, Ripple has the highest long-term price potential. While short and long-term prices can be difficult to predict, this video provides in-depth analysis from industry experts for the purpose of accurately predicting the price of Ripple and answering questions such as, how high will it go? And how much will it be worth in 5 years? How do Ripple and XRP token work? In the Ripple protocol, XRP is the native cryptocurrency. Ripple is both the name of the blockchain network that XRP is transferred over, as well as the name of the company that created the crypto token and promotes its adoption at banks and other cross-border payment institutions. Due to its improvements over existing cryptocurrencies, XRP makes particularly attractive sense as a payment currency. As an example, Bitcoin takes up to 10 minutes to confirm a transaction, while Ripple and XRP can confirm a transaction in less than 5 seconds. There's no wonder why Ripple is one of the best cryptocurrency investments. Originally known as OpenCoin, Ripple was created by Jed McCaleb, Arthur Brito, and Ripple CTO David Schwartz. As of now, the company is led by CEO Brad Garlinghouse and is a subsidiary of Ripple Labs. Former CEO Jed McCaleb no longer works for Ripple and started another cryptocurrency, Stellar, that competes with it for cross-border payment transactions. In spite of this, Ripple dominates this market and shows no sign of slowing down. Let's learn about Ripple in 2021 and the history of XRP. In the year 2020, Ripple had a strong breakout, but ran into a negative XRP news in the form of the SEC lawsuit. As stated by the company's chief U.S. regulator, XRP tokens are unregistered securities, and Ripple, the parent company, has broken United States law by selling unregistered securities to U.S. investors. As a result of being delisted from most cryptocurrency exchanges, the assets may struggle in the long run. Despite the regulatory challenges, the chart's technicals remain relatively bullish. But the SEC was forced to reveal documents related to how it came to deem Bitcoin and Ethereum not securities by a judge who granted the request of Ripple. Immediately, the coin's price rocketed to $1 and may continue to rise. Are Ripple experts positive about XRP in the long run? Several of the biggest names in the investment sector have endorsed Ripple, showing their belief in its long-term prospects. With such powerful and distinguished individuals backing the asset, investors can rest assured their capital is well positioned. What do the billionaires and analysts have to say about XRP? First, let's hear it from Will Meade, former Goldman Sachs employee and a billionaire hedge fund manager. Will Meade, a former PM at Goldman Sachs and Johns Hopkins University alum, says that while he doesn't know everything about crypto, he expects both Bitcoin and XRP to go up. With Bitcoin's new uptrend causing a rising tide that lifts all boats, Meade purchased XRP for the first time, and he predicts a 1,500% increase in price. In the near term, a 1,500% increase would bring XRP back to $3. Next, we have Sean Matthew, financial advisor. A detailed YouTube technical analysis demonstration by financial services advisor Sean Matthew calls for $10 XRP. According to YouTube video creators, the asset is showing signs of bullish breakout and a repeat of the major surge from 2017 and 2018. How about Michael Arrington, founder of Michael Arrington XRP TechCrunch? Michael Arrington, founder of TechCrunch, says that Ripple is a good way to move money and plans to change his career path to focus exclusively on cryptocurrencies. Also, the legendary tech investor opened a $100 million hedge fund in XRP, proving that even the most successful tech investors of our time understand the potential of XRP. And Ashton Kutcher, actor, Sound Ventures. Among Ripple's other famous backers is Ashton Kutcher, who invested through his venture capital firm Sound Ventures. On Ellen DeGeneres' show, Kutcher and Guy Oseary discussed the long-term potential of Ripple. Kutcher explained that Ripple is basically a platform to allow people to transfer money from bank account to bank account, person to person, really securely, really simply, really quickly. Millions watched Kutcher's remarks on television, generating widespread publicity for Ripple and XRP. What are the past XRP and Ripple price predictions that have proven correct? Even though market and price action is always unpredictable, there are some analysts who are able to predict it correctly. In addition to providing plenty of hope about new higher projects coming to fruition, the following projects provide further evidence. Here are a few examples. The Profit Confidential Analysts, a financial research firm in mid-2017, when Ripple was trading at less than a quarter on the dollar. Profit Confidential predicted the asset would be worth its full value one day, and Ripple reached $2 later that year. The coin peaked at over $3.50 per coin at the turn of the new year in the first week of January. Another is Nugget News AU's CEO Alex Saunders predicted that XRP would reach 30 cents in 2019. The asset gained as high as 50 cents per token before falling back down to 10 cents. What is the Ripple historical price data? Historical XRP market price data can be used to identify the absolute minimum price, and looking at the circulating supply gives investors an idea of what the maximum price could be someday, and how to make a long-term XRP price prediction. In 2017, at the height of the crypto bubble, Ripple reached an all-time high of over $3. It was also the most profitable asset in that year, bringing investors over 1,000% gains in a short period of time. This cryptocurrency is traded against US dollars and BTC pairs on a variety of crypto exchanges. What will XRP be worth in the future? The use of technical analysis can help determine when certain XRP price points are likely to occur. Based on the insights of some of the greatest cryptocurrency analysts, here is what to expect. Predictions for the Ripple price in 2021. After a solid breakout from a downtrend line that has been resistant for 3 years, Ripple took off and started to soar. In no time, XRP spiked to as high as 90 cents per token, but the SEC threatened a lawsuit against the token's parent company, claiming the asset is an unregistered security and therefore illegal to trade on U.S. platforms. Although XRP was hit hard by the SEC-related sell-off, it has already broken a new high of over $1. By setting a new higher high, XRP could rise to as high as $4 in the near future. And what is the Ripple price prediction for 2022 to 2023? For Ripple, it could be off to the races if XRP is able to maintain momentum and break out this time. Many cryptocurrencies are cyclical, resembling repeating patterns known as fractals. It is possible that Ripple could rise to as much as $160 per token in the short term if the fractal pattern continues. But the peak of this current bull market could occur within 2022 to 2023, meaning a bear cycle could follow. How about the Ripple price forecast for 2024 to 2025? It may seem as if Ripple is already talking about its next bear market, even though the previous bull market hasn't even ended yet. Even when looking 2 or 3 years ahead and understanding that a top of the current cycle could come sooner than later, then what comes next could be a downward trend if that's the case. Ripple might fall to $8 a coin at the bottom of its next bear market. So, is Ripple a good investment, and what is its future? For those looking to trade or invest in Ripple, this video provides all the necessary information and forecasts so they can determine how high Ripple will go in the future. As a digital asset that can disrupt several industries, Ripple has the support of a team of experts at Ripple Labs and other investors who are striving to push adoption. However, it's now facing opposition from U.S. regulatory authorities. Analysts and experts are predicting a price of $4 in the short term. In the medium to long term, analysts predict prices reaching $22 to $100 easily. And according to long-term price projections, XRP could hit highs in excess of $100 to $200, but analysts show that a pullback could occur shortly after this high point. These corrections are considered healthy, as they provide traders with additional opportunities to open short positions after rallies have been exhausted, and to open long positions when XRP reaches long-term historical support. Along with popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and EOS, Ripple is offered alongside traditional assets, including Forex currencies, commodities, stock indices, and spot contracts for gold and silver. As fiat currencies plummet, cryptocurrency, which is deflationary and hard-capped, is expected to soar to new heights and show its true power as the deflationary currency of the future. Will Ripple be part of that new future of finance? With XRP's goal and purpose, absolutely yes. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.